This is the final video to fix this. Sorry, something is preventing us from sharing this error. Are you also facing this problem where you can't share files, links, or content on Windows or apps and keep seeing this message? I was also facing the same issue, and it was really frustrating. Every time I tried to share something, it blocked me, and I didn't know how to fix it. I searched online and saw many solutions on YouTube and Facebook, but most of them were too complicated. They involved changing multiple settings, editing system files, or using confusing commands that were hard to follow. I wasted a lot of time trying those methods, and some didn't even work properly. After experimenting myself, I finally discovered a secret, simple trick that actually works. Using this trick, I was able to fix the sharing error quickly and safely. You don't need to be a tech expert, and it works every time without causing other problems. I could share files and links normally, and everything worked perfectly. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how I do it, comment down below. Follow Rexish because this trick really helped me fix something is preventing us from sharing this error easily, and it can help you too.